to Ricky Baby Travel Vlog. We are here in Encinitas, California. We're staying at Alila, Marea, Encinitas, California. This is room 339, and it's kind of unique. The room key is made of wood, and there, and our swimming pool key. So come in. Let's come inside. This is our ocean view, lagoon and ocean view. Okay, so this is the toilet over here. That smells good. So, shower gel. And it's kind of funny. It's like toothpaste, conditioner, and shampoo. So, one rain shower. It's a tempered glass, and the amenities, part of the amenities, they have two his and hers, I guess, bathroom, right? It's bathroom. Okay. The amenities. Okay. Liquor, wine, and peanuts. Cat's favorite. What do you call this? Nespresso. Okay. And tea, and our king size bed, and the TV. Perfect. And welcome. So this is our beautiful view, ocean view of the Alila Marea Beach Resort in Encinitas, California. Okay, thank you guys for watching, and tomorrow we're gonna do another video. So please subscribe and like. Any comments, welcome. So that's the beautiful beach that we have to walk tomorrow. We're going to walk by the beach at 6 o'clock. Hopefully 6 o'clock in the morning. Wow, it's a beautiful California. La 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 la. See? You try it. Wow. So I'm going to swimming pool for tomorrow. Okay. Again, thank you for watching the Ricky Baby Travel Vlog and Culinary. So watch for another episode, for the next episode for this weekend getaway for us. Thank you, and bye-bye.